Today we changed the scene. We're in one of our renovation projects and we're going to talk about basically moving from London and how it's sort of changed our lives. If you're new to this channel, we basically renovate houses, we flip them, whatnot. If you stay till the end of this video, we'll just show you mid-project of what we're doing on this property that we're in right now. Yeah, and...
Yeah, we're just going to show you what we do.
No, I'll say that. Just to show you what moving out of London has allowed us to do. How long have we moved out for now?
So it's been about over 5 years now. Moving off that point, me and Jonathan were thinking that if we were still in London, we'll probably just have that one property. Whereas now we've moved out of London, we've managed to do
Done about 7 since we moved out to the Midlands.
It's been a really wild journey doing all of them projects.
Yeah, it's been crazy.
I remember when we moved out of London, the reactions we got from our friends and family.
Why are you moving out from London? Why so far? And just why?
They were just confused. Nowadays, actually, if you speak to everyone around the area, most of the people are actually from London.
And then when you speak to them, you find out they've moved in recently, like within the last couple of years. We noticed this a lot more since last year, basically, isn't it? The funny thing is, there's a few people, and when we were buying a property down in the Midlands, they were like, why are you moving out? And it's quite strange because those same people have like been enlightened and now they think it's a good idea to move out of London or to invest outside of London.
It's opened up their mind a bit as well, like seeing someone else that they know that they've done that, and life is a lot more different.
You get more time to spend on yourselves. If you have children, if you have family that you want to meet on the weekend, you're a lot less stressed because you don't have to work so hard just to own the house you live in, basically. You just have a lot more disposable income. You get more space for the money. Just in the last year, I was reading an article, I can't remember the exact figures, but I think it was like roughly about 25% more buyers or 30% more buyers have started to move outside of London. And that kind of speaks for itself if you think about it. And you might have seen a lot of reports saying that London has gone down in property value, and a lot of areas outside of London, for example, the Midlands, Birmingham, for example, have gone up in value. That kind of speaks for itself in the sense that London is pretty much not becoming as desirable, and people are starting to realise you get nowhere near as much for your money in comparison to the rest of the country.
Also, another factor is that remote working has become a big thing now. So remote working has made it so much more easier to move around to different areas in the UK. And essentially your house has become a working environment.
And it's really important that you have a house that you really love and that you're not paying an arm and a leg for it. Alright, shall we show them the project now?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to give you a quick tour of what we've done so far in this renovation.
With this room,
yeah.
As you can see, we've just plastered the walls. And actually me and Jonathan done it together.
Nice. Say that again?
Me and Jonathan plastered these walls.
Yeah, first time plastering, and honestly, it turned out actually really good. We've got to finish off the ceiling though, but yeah.
Alright, here's another one, box room, all plastered.
Yeah, it's all finished, dumped everything in there for now. This needs to be plastered, but to be honest with you, these are kind of difficult areas and it will take me a lot longer than a normal plaster would. So I might just get a plasterer to finish that off for us.
Back bedroom, this is blue grit on the wall.
That's all just basically primed. It's an alternative to using PVA. I don't really like it. I'll tell you why later in one of my future videos. Garden needs a lot of attention.
Yeah.
Though it's raining, so I can't be bothered. Let's go downstairs.
Yeah.
Before we go downstairs, yeah, the bathroom is as it is, but I put beading and stuff just to get it prepped. Well, we're thinking what to do that's cost effective to save money on the bathroom. That will show you in a future video as well. Down. Okay, done some wiring over there, so I had to board that up after I damaged it.
So there was actually a cupboard here, which we removed.
Sorry, the camera wasn't on you. Go on.
So there was a cupboard here, which we removed. And that's why you can see over here.
I forgot, yeah, there was a cupboard there, which is crazy good that we've done that. Taking it out. And moving into the open plan. Can't wait to see how this looks when it's finished. Okay, if you're interested in what we do here, by all means subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see a day-to-day vlog of this thing, what we do, renovations. Yeah, okay.
Thank you for everyone that subscribed as well and supported us. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers. I can't believe we're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, which is amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks. I have a problem getting this worker to stop. Look at that.